where you are.
How you doing, everyone? It's your guy, Dwayne Crawford, a.k.a. Mr. Why Cry with Money. Why? Because money won't cry for you. Look, here's my best advice I can give. My goals and my future goals, my EVPs over there. Guess what? Just keep leaning forward. Keep leaning forward, all right? That's one thing. Second thing. Second thing. Second thing is, only way people gonna know you are in business is to show them that you are in business. All right. As all those powerful EVPs and EVP Golds already have stated, you got to give your testimony. When you go to church, do you give your testimony? Does it sell? Yes, it does. It's the exact same thing. People want to know about you. It's you that they really care about. And once they get into your business, then they become your family. So that's all I have to say.
What's going on, everybody? What's going on? It's your man JP Cash Flow, Jaja Brown, the Cash Flow King. Where all I want to do is get your credit, your cash flow, and your financial confidence up, so you can live the life that you're destined to live. That is what my brand is, and that is what I do for my team. Because the thing is, you got to create a brand around you. You see these leaders in here? They all created brands. Every person in here, you're an individual person. You're an individual brand. Because people want to associate something with you. They want to know something about you that speaks to them. Like you said, testimony. For example, last Game Changers, I was sitting in jail because of child support. That's the only reason I wasn't here. Not because I didn't pay, because I just got on it. And I had to deal with a threat. Basically, a false police report that went wound me in jail. I got arrested in my daughter's school in front of her. Yeah, that's why I wasn't here last time. But did that stop me? No, I was a gold. And look at me, I'm platinum now. So what's your excuse? What's your excuse? There ain't no excuse. So go get it, create your brand, be consistent, and let nothing stop you.
Torrance Williams, Hepburn, Georgia. First of all, I got to give honor to God. Now, I'm going to tell you how to make platinum. Build your own house. Don't wait for nobody to build your house. A lot of people don't know this, but last February, I came to Game Changer. When I left Game Changer last February, I needed 6 people in the right place to become platinum. That was last February. I left Game Changer. By the time I got back up to Hepburn, Georgia, 2 hours away, I needed 3 people to get to platinum. That was last February, I want you to understand. But I told Brian Bean something last February. I told him if I did not get promoted, I would not come to the next Game Changer. And my advice was, build your own house. Don't expect nobody else to build your house. My team lost 30 people, and I put 14 in, and then I lost another handful. So, last Game Changer, I came back. I was still 30 shy. I said, not this time, Lord. Not this time. So, the 1st of January, I was told a blessing is coming. This is how you do it. Build your own house. Don't require no one to build your house. Build your house the way you want it. And if you want to reach platinum, build a lot of goals.
Hey, everybody. I'm Bethany Rucker, a.k.a. The Rucker Report on Facebook, but my real name is Brandy Gates. My story is, last Game Changer, I was pregnant. I lost my dad August 2nd, 3 weeks before I gave birth to my son. Consistency, follow what your leaders do. They should do something that is duplicatable. You can't make excuses. If you've seen my videos, my son was strapped to my chest. If you've seen me at the meetings, my son was with me at the meetings because I am too hungry. I understand that a job is temporary. And at any moment that you could be let go of your job, you more than likely cannot stand to be without a paycheck for 1 month. I had it all, I lost it all. I'm standing here because of consistency, of perseverance, of confidence in myself, and my son gave me a bigger why to be successful. And it's not about the likes on Facebook, it's not about the comments on Facebook, because somebody is watching that information that you put out. Just keep being consistent, persistent, and do not accept no. If they tell you no, move on, next opportunity, because the yes is what you're looking for. You don't know who's gonna come in your downline. That will be a Cedric GMT, a Freddie Delgado. Take inspiration from any and everybody. I take inspiration from everybody you see on this stage, from their videos. I take the content, I make my own video, because the people that are drawn to you want to hear you do a presentation. They want to hear what you have to say. It don't matter if somebody else already said it. They just reaffirm and validate what works. Plug into the system, follow what your leaders do, be coachable, teachable, and listen. And push yourself past your comfort zone, because nothing grows there.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Mar19, the celebrity mentor, and I'm gonna give you 3 things to hit platinum: study, practice, and teach.
Good evening. My name is Kendrick Larson from Gonzales, Louisiana. Just like some of the other people said, the main thing is to build your brand. And I always ask my team this question. We use social media as our primary form of marketing. But if you were looking at your own Facebook page, would you do business with yourself? And a lot of people never answer that question, because now we live in a society where everybody says, I don't care what anybody thinks about me. But when you're on social media and you're networking, the question you have to ask yourself is, the only thing you knew about yourself was the content you put on social media, would you do business with yourself? And the second question is to understand what you have. Once you understand what you have, you'll value it more. That passion will come across to your prospects, and people will want to join you, because everybody wants to be a part of a winning team. Nobody wants to be a part of anything that's subpar, that's barely making it. So it may be Myecon to them, but it could be your Walmart, it could be your McDonald's, and you have to look at it that way. This is not just a $35 investment, this is your livelihood, and once you begin to take it that way, all of your prospects will as well. Thank you.
Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, can you stand up for me? Stand up. And see that young lady right there? That's my wife, y'all. Hey, I'm Eric McKinley from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, by way of Sumter, South Carolina. That's my upline right there. That's why I'm in the business. That's my wife. That's why I stayed in the business. So everybody that's out here, only thing I got for you is this: you either going through something, about to go through something, or you've been through something. Everybody got reasons, or you can have excuses. Turn your excuses into your reasons.
James R. Davis. James R. Davis Sr. Dallas, Texas, man. What are we supposed to do? All right, here we go. What did I do to hit platinum? First of all, guys, outside of everything that the goals and the other platinums have said, I jotted a couple of things down real quick, and I want to share with you. First of all, what did I do to hit platinum? I made a damn decision that I was going to hit CEO Infinity by X date. It's written, okay? You got to make a decision, okay? That's number one, because when you make a decision, you put to death all other options. You understand that? Okay? Also, be committed to your decision. Guys, commitment is doing what you say you were going to do long after the feeling in which you said it in is gone. That's commitment, okay? Now, you got to become a master at sorting through people. What did I do to hit platinum? I sort through people like it's crazy. I don't care what you think, Ramona. I don't care what you say, my brother. I don't care what you say, Terrence. I'm trying to run through this table as fast as I can possibly can. You know why? Because you got to know what your ratio is. What is your ratio? You know what your ratio is? Out of 10 people, how many people are actually going to get involved? Out of 20 people, how many people are going to get involved? Also, you need to track your ratio. I literally track my ratio. My weekly income in Myecon is predictable. It is. Because I already know how many people I need to talk to in order for me to sponsor X amount of people. You understand what I'm saying? So you got to have know your ratio. Daily method of operation. What is your daily method of operation? Okay? Also, I wrote down, remove your freaking emotions, guys. You got to build this business emotionless. You cannot wear your emotions on your sleeves. When you do, you're going to be out this business. Trust me, okay? Build in spite of how you feel. A lot of times we want to build a business when we feel like it. No, you can't do that. You got to build the business in spite of how you feel, okay? A couple more things and I'm done. Work on you harder than you do the business. Stop living your life like you're going to come back and try it again next time, because guess what? It ain't no next time. Stop living your life like you're going to come back and try it again next time. There is no next time, guys. My mom passed last year, she ain't came back yet. My wife's dad passed last week, he ain't came back yet. My dad passed last week, he ain't came back yet. So live your life like you're like it's a wrap, okay? Last thing I want to say is this. We need your gift. Stop being selfish. On that note, I'm done. Appreciate it.
Hey, first and foremost, thank God for being here. Who Papa to be. So in that regard, I actually channeled Christy. That became my why, like even more. Just always work on yourself. Brian teaches personal growth and self-development, right? So I got like 3 quick things for you guys. Don't go through gold, grow through gold. All right? The second thing is, remember why you're doing this business, right? Remember it's about multiple streams of income. And I want you guys to actually listen to this. Talk less, listen more.
That's it.
God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, okay? If you treat your business casually, your business will become a casualty.
All right.
All right, one more time. Y'all get on your feet for our EVP